Good morning, everybody. I'm here to, cook some food for you. Nothing too difficult. First, you want to turn on the fire. No, nothing too difficult. Of course, I've got a avocado oil here because I like to not have anything stick to the pan. Of course, I haven't been having any problems with this pan at all. It's actually a Rhino brand skillet. You're not supposed to wash it in water because or else it'll rust. I think it's iron or something. It's kind of heavy. So once you have your fire on, you're gonna place your skillet on there and make sure that it's very hot. So it might take a couple seconds, maybe 30 seconds. Here's my bowl. When the food's done, I'll put it in there. And what I sometimes do is I have the food, like today I'm cooking for y'all eggs and turkey bacon. Today I have the eggs just pre-cracked. That's just so I can pour them over to the skillet. Because I wouldn't want you to see me, try to break the eggs over here. I did them beautifully here. I'm gonna just pour them over when I'm ready. Of course, I think it's got pretty hot now. Let's get my spatula thing. And let's get the turkey bacon around here somewhere. Okay. I usually like, tapping it to feel the heat. I feel the heat. So how much of this do I put in there? Usually people get their teaspoons or their tablespoons or 50 milliliters or whatever. What I do is I just use the cap. See? I just pour it in to the cap. And it's about that much full, it's right beneath the first screw line. And I just pour it in. And usually that much is enough for it to go around. Just like in science class, when I told you about how heat makes things spread apart. That's why heat makes things fall apart. And of course, I usually actually use 2 capfuls. And then olive oil gets on my fingers. Don't worry, I got a solution for that. It's good old napkins. So I don't like having shiny fingers. Anyway, look at that. I think it's smoking. That's good. In fact, it might be burning a little bit. So now it's time to add in our eggs. Now don't forget to get your black pepper. Black pepper just adds a nice little extra flavor to the eggs. So watch this. Dump. They're cooking. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower down the heat to medium because it's probably already a high enough heat that I don't need it to keep cooking. Now get your black pepper. It doesn't have to be McCormick, but what's better than McCormick? And I just squish it like this and it just flies out. Make sure you get a nice little amount on your eggs here. It's covered. It adds a little extra flavor, besides the cholesterol too. As you see, your eggs are cooking up here. You can still touch the pan while it's not too hot, because of course this part will be hot. But the handle, since it's all metal, eventually all that heat will go up to the handle and then you'll burn. So in case it ever gets to that temperature, I have this old oven glove here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna turn off the heat, because the most heat you need is during the cooking process for the eggs. These little turkey bacons, they're not difficult. You just throw them on there, and because how thin they are, they cook real quickly and easily. Now we'll just wait a couple seconds here. Usually you want to wait so that the bottom part is solid. And then my secret trick is that I pick it up by the bottom. I don't know, I should probably show you like this. I pick it up by the bottom like this because it's solid. See how the whole structure moves? And I flip it over like that. Now because of that, they're gonna fuse together. I haven't popped any of the egg yolks And you know, you have a little egg yolk surprise for breakfast. Now what I want to do is cook the inside of the other part. I'm going to try to push it around without hurting it. So I'm going to, again, you know, go beneath it. I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to try to keep the yolks on the inside. If the yolks pop, you know, the good old saying, haha, the yolk's on you, you know. I'm going to keep this inside. And the bottom part, you know, it looks just a little crispy, but it's all right. It's just a little crispy, you know, just enough for your taste buds. You know, let me cut off the top over here and taste it. It's pretty good. I just gotta wait for the inside to cook a little more. Maybe I'll put the heat on medium and keep flipping. All right, there we go, perfect. That inside part is touching the pan. Even the yolk's touching the pan, so I might want to take that out of there very quickly. It's like there's a potential for me to pop the yolk. That wouldn't be good. It's not too bad, but like, you know, you prefer to have an unpopped yolk. Here I get the turkey bacon. So for 2 eggs, I take out 3 turkey bacons. There we go. That's it. Now let's see how far the egg is cooking. At this point, I may have solidified the yolk. Oh, that's a yolk pop. And get that in the bowl as quickly as possible. Now we've got the turkey bacon. Not too difficult at all. Check this out. So now I am gonna turn off the heat because turkey bacon does not need that much heat. I actually forgot to turn on the, what's this, conventional oven? Toaster oven. Yeah, toaster oven. Because it's not a whole oven, it's a toaster oven. We have to set the toaster oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit because I also have these signature select hash brown patties. And I love adding that to my breakfast. I should have done this a long time ago. I can't believe I forgot. But that's why I make videos. Not because I remember, but because I forget. So while that bacon cooks, see, look, you see the bubbles on top? That means it's already cooked through. Now, by the way, these are all, you know, they're all pre-cooked is what the package says. It's butterball turkey bacon. It still tastes great. So if I ate it cold, it wouldn't hurt me. But you know, you want your hot eggs to be in with your hot bacon, turkey bacon. There you go, you set that on top. Well, that's it for today's cooking video. Don't forget to check out all my other previous videos. And maybe give me some suggestions for new videos.